In this video, we are going to do our fourth and final layer, which is our text layer. And I'm going to be printing this in black over these gorgeous colours. After they've dried, they've come up these beautiful, vibrant oranges and purples. So let's see how the black goes. So again, I'm just lining up the text onto the yellow layer that we put down first because there was, what was it? A series of horizontal lines that I'm roughly going to line the text up with. And it's a bit hard to see because it's all see-through, but I think that's about it. So because my design is quite loose, it's okay and affordable to have it not completely lined up properly, but you can do a little trick where you lift it up a little bit and look below, and I can see that that's pretty centered, so I can see where the text is from below. For this layer, we're going to use the black, and I use the jet black. So there is, again, a super cover option, but I don't really know why they make it in black, because black can go in any color. So just going to put that black ink across the top. And I've already mixed a little bit of the print paste into the black. It's not 100% necessary, but I think it makes it sit into the fabric a lot nicer. Instead of sitting on top, it really sinks in. All right, our fourth and final layer. So you want to put quite a bit of ink on there. Might do a third squeegee. And hopefully the screen didn't move. Let's have a look. Oh la la! And that is our fourth and final layer. Again, I'm going to clean my screen really quickly and put all of the ink back into the... Oh, that's a bit rough. And give it a little spritz. So this is now ready to be blow dried. We'll just give it a quick hair dry. This is ready, but there's one final step. So in the next video, we're going to go through how to heat set the ink into your fabric. Thank you for watching. You can find more videos from Territory artists at channelnt.com.au.